The point, essentially, Priscilla, is that we're still at a high in terms of issuance at the end of February, beginning of March. Why is that as we see these rates rising ever higher?
Hi, Matt. Good morning. So it's exactly that, right? So we had historical high issuance this year. So companies are selling bonds like never before. And this is only a sign of anxiety. It's anxiety by companies and treasurers. The rates are going to be higher for longer. So they need to get in and they need to sell their bonds before it's too late. And today's inflation print is just one more proof to that, right? It's going to become more expensive to the point that it can get even prohibitively expensive to do so.
So the data today kind of justifies that anxiety. Where is that anxiety most acute? Which sectors, which companies are at the forefront of issuance?
At the forefront of issuance right now is investment-grade companies, right? Because they still have the ratings, they still have market access, and investors are still buying into them. We've seen earlier this week bonds from like McDonald's, from BASF in Germany. So those are national champion names that people like to buy and they know them well. But on the other side of this equation, we have junk companies, right? Access for those have become more complex over this year as rates shoot higher.
On the IG part of that equation then, is there demand holding up? Are we at peak issuance at this point? And are the buyers going to still be out there?
So that's a good question, Tom, because the thing is, we're still seeing a lot of supply in the market, but investors are turning sour on in credit, right? We came into 2023 thinking, oh, this is going to be the year of the bond. January was great. It was a proof to that, and returns were stellar. Then came into February, things turned sour, and investors were like, we don't like this anymore. So returns in this February was like the worst ever for a February in history.